Halor ke Jingbam Priang ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban Ithuh ya ke Iktiar Rangbah Shnong nak banta ki pat Kyrwoh ke all Khasi Hills Achik Federation haka khandri turi ulber arja arpsau kala penlong da ke jialang ban ya tai sanibha halor ke nikarai ke baka council kala shim. Hakani ke jingyalang ke bala penlong hapo ke Shnong dong spung i Ribhoi District lawan ban ya shim banta da ginoy lambah khmat ki bakan thop ya ke serimina di Marak President Ribhoi District Women Wing Sunita Momin Vice President Ukleden Sangmau General Secretary Ribhoi District Unit haka jingya don lang ki noy lam Rangbah bakan thop ya Cliftus CH Marak u President baru Manuel CH Marak General Secretary bat ki wei ki noy lam na keleng ke jela. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor hadin ngejing alang na kalyang kinong alam ka kunhun kata ka serimina di Marak padu Manuel CH Marak kila takran ting ya ka KHADC kabala wanra ya ka jingkran hapo ka district council session ka baong badiban weng no ya ka jinglong Rangbah Shnong jong ki Kyrwoh ki bahap hapo ka jingkmi jong ka KHADC lani hapo Khasi Hills. Kala kenno ru bagani ke jingle jong ke KHADC ke kata bahai ke jing sngo jong ki pat Kyrwoh ki balasa da ki spa snam ha keleng ka jela bat kila aipor artayo ba ke KHADC kam dei ban wanra ya ka ni ke bil bat lada kam le ai maki kimban si bakin ya chakmat da ke wei pat kalenti na ke benta ke jing ya bhalang.
We have been seeing that what this KHADC has resolution has passed in the KHADC, so it's a very much sentiment to the Kyrwoh people, those who are residing in the Khasi Hills area, southwest Khasi Hills and entire Khasi Hills. The headman power is snatched away by Kyrwoh. That is very much wrong. We never tried to snatch away the headman power because since from 18th century we are practicing this and we never harm to any other Khasi Britons, and today also we will try to exercise the same traditional cultural rights. And we have seen that the KHADC has passed this bill, but this amendment and this bill is not acceptable, and we will fight if they don't scrap this bill. Then we will also continue to fight for our rights. We are indigenous people. We are living here since from 18th century. We are not foreigners. We are not from any other country. So in other states also, like Tripura, Arunachal, and Assam also, all over in India, we have been practicing very democratically. And here also, being as a own state, we should have practice this, and we should continue, and they should give us. If they don't allow also, we will continue because it's our right. And this state is belong to three sisters, Kyrwoh, Khasi, Atiar. Why they are bringing this such kind of communal things? This issue. This is very much irritating and very much bad issue for us. So we want peace and harmony, and we want to be good relationship with our Khasi Britons, and they should not continue this bill, and we will not accept this bill. We will go and fight for another issue also. If they don't scrap this bill, we will demand another issue, and they have to give that one. Now we will not disclose that one. We will thank all the Khasi entire Kyrwoh people. We will think, and if they want to continue whatever they have passed in this last week, and that bill, then we will think. That will be very much a problem for the our Khasi Britons also, because you see, we are living nearby neighboring Assam. So they must think very carefully to decide this kind of bill. I don't want to blame in this issue to our Honorable Chief Minister. He has been called already. He has been called already to CEM of KHADC, and he called in front of us. Please meet this Headman Association of Riphoi District, and he told him that please meet them on next week. But before next week, they already passed that resolution passed, and I went to Victor Rani's local MLS MDC's house also. He said that we will be meeting after the session of KHADC, but after the session KHADC means they have already passed before that, and why should we will meet when already they have passed this kind of bill? So it's no use.
So today, as with the organization, All Khasi Hills Achik Federation, so we are here and we had discussed the various issues which is going on nowadays. So that issue is about the headman. So headmanship. So from the district council, so they had removed the headmanship of the Garo people who are residing over here in the Khasi Hills region. So from our organizations, AKHAP, so we had seen and we had verified the ongoing situation, how this issue had come up. So we had found many things here, but then so it's not about like this issue should remove the headmanship from the Garo community. So here I would like to say that to the government of Meghalaya and the district council, I have one question that. So we the Garo community, so we have right to practice our traditional culture in our village or in the society. So we are practicing this cultural, traditional cultural. So as per our concern, so we have seen that if there is no headman in the village, so how he will lead the village? So that is the main thing. So here we can understand that, and every community has their head. So I know that Garo, from the Garo community, has their traditional head in the Garo Hills, and here in the Khasi Hills region, it has the Khasi traditional head. So, but one thing that here we want to say that, and we want to explain our grievances that. So, since we the tribal and the community of this area, community of this Khasi Hills region, we are staying here. We are not staying in Garo Hills. So wherever we stay, we have our right to practice our traditional culture. So no one has right to exclude, or no one has right to deprive our rights. So I think there are some like leaders, politician leaders, they are misleading our society. We are living peacefully as brothers and sisters, and some of the political leaders, they are bringing the issue in the August House of District Council, and they are saying that those community could not practice their own like traditional culture. So that is not fair. So wherever we are staying, we have a right to practice our traditional culture. That's it. So from our side, we don't have anything. And on this issue, we don't want to blame anyone, but we are seeking helps from the Meghalaya government to solve this matter as soon as possible. And we, from the organization, we are giving the deadline for 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. So within these 2 weeks, so they should come up and they should solve this matter. So we don't want any conflict, or we don't want any like we don't want to see such things that it will happen to our society or community. So we want to live peacefully in this area, and we are not demanding that they should give they should give our rights how they are getting. We are not asking that, but as per the norms, as per the constitution, so we should get the rights.
जब राजू को अपने महीने के राशन का चावल मिला तो उसने देखा कि कुछ चावल के दाने बाकी दानों से अलग लग रहे थे। राजू को कुछ ठीक नहीं लगा। उसने इस बारे में अपने दोस्त देव से बात की।
देव, मैंने इस बार फोर्टिफाइड चावल लिया था जिसमें सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व मिले हुए हैं, पर मुझे इसमें प्लास्टिक जैसा कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है।
मैंने भी सुना है कि आजकल प्लास्टिक के चावल आम चावल में मिलाकर बेचे जा रहे हैं। इसके बारे में मैंने एक वीडियो भी देखा है जिसमें उन्होंने चावल से बॉल बना दी थी।
क्या ये सच है? अब हम इस चावल का क्या करें?
राजू, आज पड़ोस में हमारे एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर आए हुए हैं। चलो उनसे ही पूछते हैं।
राजू और देव ने अपने एरिया के फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर से मिलकर इस बारे में बात की।
सर देखिए, इस फोर्टिफाइड चावल में कुछ दाने अलग दिख रहे हैं।
घबराइए नहीं। FSSAI के निर्देश के अनुसार चावल में सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्वों को सही मात्रा में मिलाया जा रहा है। इन्हें कहते हैं फोर्टिफाइड चावल। फोर्टिफाइड चावल के दाने चावल का पाउडर और सूक्ष्म पोषक तत्व जैसे विटामिन B12, फॉलिक एसिड और आयरन को सही मात्रा में मिलाकर बनाए जाते हैं। फिर इन्हें आम चावल के साथ 1 दाना प्रति 100 दाने के अनुपात में मिलाया जाता है।
अच्छा, पर ये बॉल जैसा क्यों हो जाता है?
पके हुए चावल में 80% स्टार्च होता है और कार्बोहाइड्रेट की अधिक मात्रा होने के कारण चावल चिपकता है और इसमें लचीलापन आता है। और हाँ, किसी भी तरह के चावल को चिपकाकर इस तरह की बॉल बन सकती है।
ये तो आपने बिल्कुल सही बात बताई सर, लेकिन क्या फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव और पकाने के तरीके में कोई फर्क होता है?
जी नहीं, फोर्टिफाइड चावल के रख रखाव, स्वाद और पकाने की विधि आम चावल जैसी ही होती है। हमें फोर्टिफाइड चावल को अपने रोजाना के खाने में प्रयोग करना चाहिए ताकि हमें और हमारे परिवार को सही पोषण मिल सके। इसके साथ साथ सभी चावल उत्पादकों को भी फोर्टिफाइड चावल उपलब्ध करवाने चाहिए ताकि हम सब इससे स्वास्थ्य लाभ ले सकें।
आपने तो हमारी आंखें ही खोल दी। अब हम अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए फोर्टिफाइड चावल ही लाएंगे।
फूड सेफ्टी एंड स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया द्वारा जनहित में जारी।